Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, guys. Hope everybody's having a wonderful Christmas week, guys. Beautiful Christmas Eve. Out here on the cold Tuesday morning, guys. About 30 degrees almost. Nice little frost on the ground. Figure we take out the old PJ50. I like this old bird, guys. Getting ready to lose this spot. It's probably be the last week I can fly here. Or last couple of days I'll be able to fly here, and it'll be over with, I'd say. But anyway, guys. Let's get her up and go. Here we go, guys. Full speed off the bat, guys. Let's get her. Here we go. Got the Sky ID in it like always. Look how beautiful, guys. What you think, Snap? I don't really call that a snap, but yeah, anyway. We can see it good in that sun. What looks good on it in that sun. And no, you guys don't have to worry. I'm not flying over the houses. Not flying over the houses at all. Alright, that's good in the sun hitting it. It does. Let's throw some landing flaps into us. Nice little slow pass. Out of the flaps, let's go. Climb it. Where's that sun at? There it is. This is a fun plane to fly. It is, guys. Sun should be hitting it. Oh, yeah. We just fly this pattern right here. We're good to go, guys. Not over nobody's head or nothing like that. Thing's still climbing a little bit. I got the, well, I did scoot the battery back some. We're running the 6500, guys. 6500 6S. Couple of clicks of trim looks like. Don't know if it's the rudder. Knife edge? Oh no. No knife edges. Alright, guys, full blast again. It's just full blast. Since we got the Sky ID in it, we can test the speed. Look at the climb, guys. Awesome. I love the swoosh it sounds. You guys probably can't hear it from there, but man, it sounds good. Guys, let's slow it down. Oh yeah, look how beautiful. I'm still out of throttle. Alright, back into it. A couple guys asked me, how fast this thing was. I couldn't really remember, guys. I really can't get the top speed out of it like I used to here, but I think I've got 130 out of it, I believe, maybe. And as in a steep dive though, How long we got, guys? Got a minute left. Let's do a nice little touch and go, maybe. Whew, my hands are hurting. Okay, there we go. Really crazy. Riding a wheelie. Alright guys, I guess we're gonna bring her in for a landing this time. Go ahead and put the flaps out. Alright guys, here we go. The thing slows down pretty good. I ain't hit the throttle none. I'm still out of the throttle, still out of the throttle, still out of the throttle, still out of the throttle. Oh yeah, good wheelie. Still on the wheelie. Oh yeah, I hope I got it guys. That's sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Thought I had a mix, but I don't guess I do. The rudder, the aileron mix. I usually keep one, but anyway guys, there we have it. Successful flight with always beautiful and always amazing PJ50. Can't remember if it's 1600 millimeters, 1700 millimeters, but twin 70 guys. You can run any from a 45. I run anywhere from a 4500 6S to a 6500 6S. So you got a wide range of batteries, guys. If you want to make it light, to get less flight time, you know, dual motors. This thing has dual 40 amp ESCs in it, I believe, or maybe dual 60s. I'm not for sure, but anyway guys, hope y'all enjoyed it. Like always, if you want to pick one of these up yourself, want to help support the channel, buy from the links guys. Best way to help support the channel. Sure do appreciate that guys. Till we do it again, safe flying and God bless. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye bye bye.